she and he is a very big problem to me, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is I don't know Swahili. I only know one language.
Ah! What's wrong?
I thought it was a snake. Don't scare me like that. You made me think it was a snake or something.
I just wish to meet a snake.
I'm sorry, this girl was scaring me. No.
I wish to meet a snake right now because we are too much. I wish to meet.
Did you see how fast I jumped up? Sandy. Sandy, look. Sandy, look. Look at me. I said,
Oh no, you didn't jump. You jumped like higher than.
because I thought you were saying, look out, there's a snake.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes.
Imagine.
Huh?
So I'm not afraid of snakes, but I feel afraid.
You're not afraid of snakes?
Yeah, there's a small insect here. I don't know how I can. It's like a worm, like doing the body like this,
Uh-huh.
and has some hair. I am afraid of it.
A worm?
Yeah, this small thing, but I'm not afraid of snakes. No.
Really?
But
What about a big snake, like a python?
You know, I have seen a snake that bigger than you, and full
Where?
in our place, Kisumu. And we found
Really?
swallow the big goat.
Now, let me ask you something. A snake can kill a human, right? A snake can eat a human.
Can swallow you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So hey, how you doing? Jumbo. Did this happen in Kisumu?
This side. I'm
Did
afraid of you.
did a snake kill somebody in Kisumu?
No, we found it when she had it